In the dimly lit room, you awaken, your senses tingling with dread. The shadows dance, revealing a life-altering truth. I am your puppeteer, your captor. A riddle unravels your fate. Embrace the torment, for your life teeters on a precipice. Sinister choices await, a game of survival as your past transgressions haunt you. The clock ticks, urging decisions, gruesome but necessary. Redemption or retribution. Fear drips from your pores. Terror echoes in your heartbeats. As Jigsaw, I hold the key to your salvation or demise. Only you can choose, for in the throes of darkness, your true self emerges.